Finally, a sous vide cooker that's so accurate it controls temperature within 0.1 degrees. Your steaks will thank you. Most sous vide machines are good, but this INKBIRD is precise. We're talking 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy with a calibration function that keeps it spot on every single time. The difference between 129 and 130 degrees? That's medium rare versus medium? This machine nails it perfectly. The 3D water circulation technology creates even heat distribution, so every part of your steak cooks identically. No more thick parts being undercooked while thin parts are overdone. I've cooked dozens of steaks with this, and the consistency is incredible. Every single one comes out exactly how I want it. The wide temperature range from 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit means you can cook anything, from delicate fish to tough brisket. This precision isn't just a fancy feature, it's what separates good cooking from extraordinary results. Professional chefs pay thousands for this level of accuracy. You're getting restaurant-grade precision in your home kitchen. Your taste buds will notice the difference immediately. Invest in perfection and never settle for almost right again.